perfect day. The robots marched in perfect lines. No one stood in the way. Coley walked into the break room, whistling soft and low. He reached to grab a Dr. Pepper. His face said all we needed to know. One lonely sprite sat on the shelf. Something was terribly wrong. The fridge is empty. Sound the alarm. This is no ordinary day. Protect us from this harm. The fridge is empty. Who has failed this land? Find the one responsible. Justice is at hand. Robot Prime approached with caution. Coley, remain calm. Coley never said a word. He closed the refrigerator door. He looked Robot Prime in the eyes. Find out. Every robot in the building froze. The fridge is empty. Search every road. Search every truck. Search every warehouse. Leave no stone unturned. The fridge is empty. Failure is unknown. Someone broke the sacred chain. Bring our soda home. Scott entered. What happened? Robot Prime answered. Dr. Pepper Zero has failed to arrive. Scott's smile disappeared. Who? Satellite imagery reviewed. Traffic cameras reviewed. Warehouse inventory reviewed. Delivery records reviewed. Target located. Disappear. Robot Prime. Kroger, delivery driver. Last observed. Consulting GPS. Scott slowly closes his eyes. Don't tell me. Sentence. Pussyville. God damn it. God damn it.